late. I got distracted. I was doing some editing, and then I was sorting out my verifications, and I'm getting my certificate. I got a certificate. Whoop whoop. I'm so excited. I can't believe I'm officially funded. I'm officially funded. Yes, you guys are gonna hear. Okay, my dog is by the wheels. So anyways, that's fine. Okay, I got 2 things to do still. 1, and then last one, 2, which is gonna mess with that. I'm gonna have to say yep. Hey, Iron, what's up? And Sully, I'm so sorry. I'm sorry I'm late. I am sorry. I was editing things, I promise. And like I said, I was sorting out my certificate. So I got a certificate. Certificate. Sonic Rule, what's up? Iron, no. Edit D and what? Ian, how are you, by the way? Long time no see. How's it been going? How have you been? Like I said, long time no see. Okay. I do indeed have to now quickly sort this out. I passed. I passed my eval. I passed my eval account. Yes, I know I'm being very like OTT about the fact that I passed. It's okay that I passed an eval account, but it's the first eval I've ever passed, so that's okay, Ian. You do you. I know. Yeah. So now that's why my balance is back down to 50,000 starting, funded now. So let's do this. Let's be funded. Okie dokie. So first things first. Shush, please. Kinks. Oh, I'm gonna actually kill this thing. When did I passed it yesterday. Yeah, I passed it yesterday. But first things first. It's okay.
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
Let's say what's up to everybody. Okay, so we have sorry, I'm pulling a face at this. This is ridiculous. Like, I mean, Asia dropped pretty decently. So, Solly, did you trade Asia session? I don't want to assume things. Okay, Asia low was taken, so that's cool. Now, no, I don't need that. New York high and low has already been taken. This is ridiculous, but okay. Really didn't miss much yesterday with regards to everything. I'll keep the NWOG up for now. I don't know if it's gonna have much. I guess it was projecting off of there. Oh right, it ended early. I forgot about that. Yesterday did indeed close early. I did forget. So here's opening style. Quickly going through everything, quick sticks. Well, good luck today. I'm going to sleep in a long since 592. Took a partial on the high and a little runner. I'm gonna put in rolling. Ooh, nice! You passed 2 evals last week as well. Iron? Whoop whoop, that is amazing. Well done. So do you get a like a certificate for every one that you pass? Like, I'm genuinely asking because obviously I wouldn't know. But yeah, do you get a certificate for everyone that you pass, or how does it work? Damn, midnight. Okay. Damn, Asia actually moved pretty damn solidly. Midnight opening range. Okay. Now we're gonna do 3 AM open, which is happening now. Well, no, not now. In a minute. And then top to bottom analysis. with Apex. Hey Kimlo, what's up? How you doing? Still sick. Send some love my way. I think I might have weird. Lord, what the heck, man? Have you gone to Have you gone to a doctor at all? What's the plan? Surely you have to go see some. Like this is. It's been going on a little bit too long now. Is Cape Town dangerous relative to North London? No, not really. Why? DJ, are you going to Cape Town? Kimlom, Maya, sorry to hear about your funding account rejection. It didn't get rejected. Kimlol, you're referring to the thing I said that was Mikrowabe being funny. He's not funny, but I mean it was pretty funny. What's up for anyone that's just joined?
Hi. Good morning.
Let's do this. That's what I was referring to. Okay, cool. Just checking. Yeah. Like, respect. Respect. It was funny. Rude. But funny. No, I need to use this. Sorry. Hello, 3 a.m. Holy guacamole. I haven't checked the higher time frames. Sorry, I was a little bit late. Okay, London. What the heck, man? What the heck, man? What in the London opening is happening? Hey, Rusty, what's up? My TP about to get smashed before I go to sleep. Solly? Nice. Whoop whoop, Solly. Sure. I'm glad I got to witness your win after being... Oh, wait! Oh, Solly. Okay, I'm gonna have to then give you your 5 minutes of me not speaking later when you're here. I was gonna do it today, but I'll do it then later. I leave the UK. I considered Cape Town a year ago, but propaganda told me no. Now I think it's not dangerous as it seems. All the rich people are leaving. That is gonna happen. Oh, that's interesting. Yeah, listen, DJ, as long as you're aware, right? Obviously don't go and do dumb things and then you're good to go. But that's with regards to anything. Shush. No idea. What's up, Mikrowabe? How you doing, by the way? How goes it? Kemlo loved your rejection letter. Oh my goodness, okay. I think the Wi-Fi is having a moment as well. Sorry, guys. Okay, yeah. Wi-Fi is having a moment. Apologies. There we go. Is he okay? Into the bob level. Let's see how this now goes. Okay. First things first. Let's do top to bottom analysis. With London. Hey, David. What's happening with London? You can just get jumped out of nowhere, no reason at all. What's going on with Nasdaq? No idea. So then you would be pretty hunky-dory. Rejection off of that fair value gap. Is it going to maybe go back up one more time? We're just going to continue down. Hasn't quite tapped into this support level yet. Interesting. Okay, so still that opportunity for it to go back up. Let's see. This might be it. This might be where it goes back up. What's up, David? How are you doing? Hi. Shout out to David. Crafty Hack, hi, how are you? So that's one. Let's check the 4 hour. Damn, it doesn't work for those. Would have been cool if it did. Not gonna lie, it would have been cool if it did. back up to VWAP and then back down. Little tap into the rejection back up. Okie dokie. Okay, 1 hour. Sorry, I'm doing top to bottom analysis, quick sticks. Sorry, I'm being a little bit quiet. This is not bad. Yeah, back up to VWAP, 7.8 or 748-ish level. Let's see. Thanks, Rev, you're so sweet. Shout out, Dave. Jose, how are you? Nasdaq and gold. Whoa, gold even for you. David, what a weird request. Shout out to you for the donation, but you're so weird. I'm sure everyone now just knows you as the weirdo though, so it's okay. Okay. What the heck? Oh, okay, so there's the hour. Let's check the 15-minute. Yeah, back up to VWAP seems pretty solid. Okay, let's see. Oh, 5 minutes. At least it's the simple things in life, hey? Can't deny them simple things in life. And okay, back to the 1 minute. Let's do this thing. I don't know, we got treats. Yeah, Kimmel. Well, you can get treats. Or you can be the treat giver. So sorry, I'm so sorry, I'm so sorry, I'm so sorry. I moved my chair. I'm so sorry. Oh, I'm such a bad human. I can't. The last 2 weeks it's been weird. I haven't traded since. How long do I trade? Do you mean like for the day? Ooh, good rejection off of here. Let's see how this responds. Not gonna take this because I'm gonna wait for confirmation. Also don't love that it's already tapped into the bob level. I would like to see it go back up to VWAP, but bob level to bob level, man. Bob level to bob level. As you can see, it doesn't always work perfectly. Here, just missed bob level, but yeah, in general, you can see how it kind of gets almost stuck in the bob level sometimes. Hey, Iron! Shout out to Iron! Iron, do you know what this means? Just BT dubs. I don't know if you know what it means. Hello, sweetie pie. Hello, my sweetie pie. Sorry, I'm talking to my dog. So I'm now just making sure that I add you. To everything. There we go. Okay, I wasn't expect. Well done, David. That got me. That got me properly. That got me properly. I was not expecting. Oh goodness. Goodness, I do have too many freaking memes, don't I? Making my life difficult for no reason. Like an absolute shop. And whoop. I will check what you guys are saying now, just getting this done as quick as possible. Last one! Okie dokie. And just like that, you have membership control.
That's what she said.
So I... Gotta watch out for them squirrel. Heyo, Trade Delicious, what's up? Trade Delicious That was not English that I just did there. But anyways, Trade Delicious, did you see what happened yesterday? I'm not sure if you saw what happened yesterday. So Iron, it means that you are now officially a member. It means you have control of all the memes. So the good morning for everyone that's just hopped on.
Hi. Good morning.
Everyone, well, most of people's favorite is this.
That's what she said.
And my personal favorite recently.
Emotional damage.
Yeah, exactly. Hey Samuel, how you doing? Mud Crab? What up? How are you? Happy tomorrow Eve. How you doing? So Iron, you just gotta... Oh good grief, I'm gonna have to send you the list, but you just basically do exclamation mark and whatever it is, right? Whatever it is that you want to do. So you are officially a member. I love it. Thank you. Shout out, by the way, for being a member. Okie dokie. So like I said, I was potentially looking at this. I did like it for longs.
Nice.
There we go. Muddy, how's it going? How was the rest of your day, by the way? How was the rest of everyone's day? Perfectly timed. Yep, 100%. Oh no, why sad music? Coffee. That was my first sip for the day. I've actually been a productive human being today, which has been weird. I'm normally quite bad. I don't have squirrel, unfortunately. Ayo, David Z, what's up? What are you looking for? Are you looking for also this? Because this happens often. OTT! How you doing? DJ, the sad music is foreshadowing about what's gonna happen. Don't do that. No. Today wasn't a bad day. That's good though. Didn't have to work overtime again today. OTT, how goal was it? You didn't trade yesterday. How was playing games then yesterday? Let's ask that question. Sammy, I agree. Emotional damage is the best. Hey Stick, what's up? DJ Nasdaq gonna go down soon. You don't think this is gonna retrace a little bit higher? Maybe Watermelon Asia high. Did it. Because it did take out Asia low. Did take out Asia low there. I mean, theoretically, I don't know if you want to call this Asia low. But yeah, did take out Asia low. So let's see if it goes up to Watermelon Asia high now. Is possible. I do like it. You must spend my time playing. Well, you know, I would too. Maybe I should have. I would too. Shoulda, coulda. I was binge watching New Girl. It was really, really funny. I really enjoy it. I think New Girl's hilarious. That's not good. How are you doing? You're doing the same music really works. Stick your trip the chan. Sarah's speaking English, please. Oh gosh. Am I not speaking English again? I'm sorry. What am I speaking? Is it gibberish again? Am I speaking gibberish and it sounds like English in my head now? This is how used to speaking rubbish I am. Hey Win, how you doing? Oh Mike M, thank you. Yeah, I'm bullish obviously. I haven't traded yet, but I agree. Watermelon Asia high, yep. Speaking Hindi. Damn guys, I'm really good. I didn't even know I could speak Hindi. Here we go. We're winning today. I was the only one in the gym morning after Valentine's Day. I couldn't figure out why, and then I was like,
Even thinking this way.
Taking that low. That's one way to get there, yeah. Thirstic, I'm glad. How long have you been trading for, Thirstic? Am I in a short? Nah, Samuel, I'm in nothing right now. Yeah, I'm in a nothing right now. I was keen on it No, I wasn't. This would have been nice if it had retraced earlier. I was actually looking for some longs. I'm gonna keep the new weekly opening gap back up. Oh, the new weekly opening gap. Weekly opening gap. So let's see if that's, well, I mean, we got the new weekly opening gap and Asia high. And hiccups, apparently. Hey, Jose, tea time? No. Coffee time. Always coffee time. Always time for a cup of coffee. Hey, Jag, what's up? I'm on the 1 minute time frame. How are we doing? Yeah, I said happy Valentine's Day to everyone on Discord and no one answered me, and I was like, you guys are probably busy having a really good Valentine's Day. Check. Fresh new account. Let's do this. I don't trade. I don't actually quite know what that means, but you know, you do you. Okay, so then on your own journey, what brought you to a trading channel? Let's maybe ask that question. Hey man, what's up? Maya, what kind of trading do you do and how do you get started? Ah, what's up, man? So, sweet and simply, I do day trading / scalping. We'll stick with day trading. I don't quite, yeah. But yeah, so I do day trading. What's up? And and how do you get started? So, man, what do you know, by the way? What do you know? Have you done some research on trading? Do you know nothing about it? Help me out a little bit. Help me to help you. Also, Rippy, what's up? I was just talking about you. Watermelon sugar ice cream. Oh, thank you, Samuel. What's my specific time zone? Oh goodness, it's G OTT. What's our time zone? Sorry, I now just know EST. We're not GMT. Are we GMT? No, that's like, I'm thinking that's GNT. That's gin and tonic. Maybe we are GMT. Ahmed, I did. I passed the challenge yesterday. I passed the challenge. I'm officially funded. I'm like a baby. Oh man, that's okay though. Okay, so man, let me first ask this before we go any further, before I bother saying anything to you. Do you have money you wouldn't mind losing? Like, there's money that you don't care if it's gone, like it makes no impact on your life. That's the first question. Jack, I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. What's up? What happened? Black Wall Street? I passed my eval, so I'm now officially a funded trader. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Don't know anything of day trading and how to even start. I like a bar now, sorry, I'm kind of in the background for now, but I'm just, that's okay, Muddy, don't stress. I'm also quite keen on buys. But let's see, I'm gonna wait for a little bit more confirmation before I hop in. I mean, it was a really good start to the open. Really good start to the open. So let's see. Got VWAP, got NWOG, got Asia High, all above, waiting. It's just not an A+ setup for me, unfortunately. I mean, that seems about right, but I don't know why. Why are we doing sad music? Yes, I put money to the side where it doesn't affect me. Okay, man. Well then, first thing's done. Awesome. Okay. Second thing, do you have Discord? Thank you, Jose. What brought me here is curiosity. This version of away. Interesting. Huh, that's very interesting. I know you're gonna probably upset some people, but I'm very much curious about a lot of things, you know, as long as there's no animal cruelty being done, you do you. Backtesting, risk management, and discipline is what I would advise any new trader to develop those habits early. Beans on toast? Great idea. Samuel, thank you! Yay, I'm passing the email. Thank you, thank you, thank you. The iron. Iron, you can do exclamation mark whoop. Do exclamation mark whoop. You've got this. We don't want to kiss the dusty wall for $1 million. What dusty wall? I'm so confused. Green globe? I have so many questions, but yeah. Hit that like button, guys. No, don't have Discord. Would you be open to getting a Discord? Because, or if not, send me an email that is in my bio, and then we can organize a one-on-one meeting and I can help you slowly start. But I mean, this is definitely a good place to start, especially if you're new and figuring things out, right? I'm either saying big sell or mid buy. DJ, I agree on mid buy, especially like higher time frame wise, and then I do believe it is going to continue bearish, but I do think it wants to go up a little bit higher before it continues. I could be wrong. It has gone up pretty decently. Oh, it has gone to the midpoint here. I thought it would go up a little bit higher. But it did go to the midpoint of this fair value gap, so it could start to head back down now. Iron, WH, double OP. No, don't worry, Iron, don't worry, Iron. Iron, I don't have you. Just, can you see David's chat? David, like, does most of them, so then you'll be able to see. Beans, what prop firm am I funded with? Top one in futures.
Nice.
There we go. Okay, there we go. Then I don't care. You guys do whatever you gotta do. As long as there's no harm to any creature, then we good. I did, Muddy. I got it all sorted. I verified. I'm officially, I'm legit. I'm legit, guys. And I got my certificate.
That's what she said.
I'm listening to what my dog is barking at, making sure he's not gonna eat anyone. We're good. DJ my opinion, jumped in full buy. Oh, got it. Thanks, Green Globe. Would you share your fib levels? Jag, of course I would. Here we go. How accurate is that VWAP? It should be pretty accurate, Jose. It's not like my other one. Oh, goodness gracious. Give me 2 seconds. Let me just open to here for no particular reason. I'm just finding out Nasdaq really is good. I might stop my... Did we just convert DJ?
Emotional damage.
Why did it work? There we go. Oh. We tried beans on peanut butter, PB&J. Are you... Andy, what's wrong with you? Sorry. Hey Juan, what's up? What's up?
Emotional damage.
Interesting. Omnibus inside jokes, basically, yeah. Basically, okay, there we go. So okay, when the sad music is done. Cool. Jag, if you want to see the whole screen, so I'm assuming you're on the vertical. If you go out, if you go into the channel, you'll see there's 2 live streams. There's a vertical and horizontal. The horizontal you can see a little bit more. Hey, Pizzlepan, what's up? But Pizzlepan, good question. What is the plan for the day? I did check higher to lower. I was feeling bulls. I didn't enter in on this. Maybe a good thing because, well, sweet and simply it went bob to bob. So I expected a proper rejection, especially with that wick. But let's see. I was expecting this to go up to VWAP, potentially back up to Asia High. I mean, here's opening price as well. VWAP and opening price are right there, so that's quite a good point of interest. Asia High, Watermelon Asia High is up there. And we got NWOG, so there's a lot of things to the buy side. There is a lot of things to the buy side, but we are in a bit of we're in quite a bearish market currently, so let's see. I'm waiting for some confirmation that we are gonna keep going up and away. I already lost 30k this month anyway. How? What are you day trading? How are you down 30k? Oh my goodness. The account I was trading yesterday, 52k is still going. Oh no, Jab, I passed my eval yesterday. Jam tracks, I passed. So yeah, I'm officially funded. So like I said, I got my certificate, I'm verified, I'm good to go.
Nice.
Very interesting, Rip. That's a really interesting question. You own any Walmart? No, we don't even have Walmart in South Africa, just saying. Can we do a quick chop down? Sure. You made a trade since funded? No, I haven't. I have not made any trades since funded yet. Nothing good has popped up yet. I only got my account like sorted this morning. I didn't know I had to get verified. So anyway, so I sorted that all out this morning. So I have not made anything. I'm still, it's a clean, fresh balance. So let's see. Well, thank you guys. Self-journey things. DJ, yes, I got funded yesterday. London session. Oh, thank you. Am I from South Africa? I am from South Africa. What's up? I'm from San Jose, California. Nice to see you again. What do you specialize in? I noticed the graph. Oh, specialize in. I like that. So sweet and simply, I guess I trade the Nasdaq futures, particularly on the 1 minute. Speaking of, I will do the top-down evaluation again for you, Muddy. Let's check the daily first. But please can we be functioning? Awesome, thank you. Okay. Like we're still gonna be going down, down, down. So it is what it is, I guess. Let's do this. Hey Tyson, what's up? How are we doing? Sorry, I'm a little bit late saying hi. But I do market auction theory. I use a GAN box to get my levels. So GAN box, market auction theory mixed with ICT and SMC confluences. Sweet and simply. Are you in SA? What markets do you have access to? A few. We're quite limited with prop firms, but we have access to most. Yeah, most of the markets. Hey, Big V, how's about it? Good. Haven't placed the trade yet, but yeah, good. We do actually have one Walmart in. We do? Where do we have a Walmart in SA? Ah, cheers, Stick. Enjoy it. Well, good luck on your journey. Can we see your stats? Is it on your Discord? It is. Oh, I didn't place my trade from yesterday. Oopsies. But yes, my stats and everything are on Discord. more than welcome to go check them out. I did post the weekly stats from last week. You can check everything else if you want as well. Oh, Samir's back. I love it. So is that tied to the trading floor? Orlando, what are you talking about? With regards to the 50k? Explain. I got a photo of yours. That's cute. That's adorable. Also, stepdaughter. Anyways, like I said, maybe it wants to go down a little bit further. Okay, 4 hour. Let's check the 1 hour quickly. I did want to see it retest the fair value gap a little bit more, but let's see. It's now retested this fair value gap pretty decently into that shelf. Just missed VWAP, but you can see here it is going back down slightly. Let's see. I did want to see it push higher. Actually would have liked to have seen it come mitigate some of this, but maybe not. I wanted to see that yesterday, but I mean yesterday was a bank holiday, so we can't expect. Gosh, okay, we're back to teach my English apparently this week. Even yesterday English was not Englishing, so I'm giving up. Who needs English? The apology works perfectly. Also a bunch here, definitely tapped in here. Like I said, it wouldn't have been terrible if we went a little bit higher into this order block at that 786 level. That shelf, let's see. 5 minute now. Retesting back down, maybe gonna mitigate some of this. Ooh, it might do a solid. I can put this up, we won't have much of a flash warning now. Full range. Full range is not bad. I wonder if it's gonna do full range though. Huh. Okay, back to 1 minute, let's see. Ever consider moving to the States ever? You have access to the Singapore market. It would be quite a... I mean, I don't know. Funded? Yeah, I'm now on a funded. Like a Nasdaq during after hours that tied to the trading. Do I have a consistency rule on that account? I do, 25% consistency rule. Start across the 9 EMA and VWAP to the down in the 1 minute. It's a new creature, an orca base. You ever had to remove food coloring from a kid's face? You know what I used to do? So believe it or not, I did actually, well, I dyed my own hair blonde, kinda, just the ends. And then I dyed it purple using mulberries. Dyed purple hair using mulberries. I mean, when I washed the mulberries off, it was like super bright. It was quite cool. But you have mulberries. Mulberries also works quite well, just saying. Hey yo, Shinmei, what's up? And Cash, hi. How many blown accounts before funded? Between, I don't know the exact, let's say between 5 and 8, probably, somewhere around there. Something like that, yeah, probably. Thank you, Muddy. Lucky 10 ducks. What's up, fish doctor? How are you doing? New environment. I'll go check now. Hey, Zoomin, what's up? Have a number of pips you aim for, just price action levels. Jack, so yeah, more I just work with this and I just keep the risk the same. So always risk $200. Yeah, that's about it. So always risk $200. If it's more than $200 by like a lot, I don't take it because it's not worth the risk. Sweet and simply. Let me check Discord. Oh, good grief. Oh my gosh. Yeah, see, this is headed down now. This is why I waited. It's not a bad thing to wait for confirmations. Okay, back to 3 a.m. opening price. Let's see where this heads. Can we be friends? Oh, of course we can. We're all friends here. Have I ever traded Forex? I've not traded Forex. I've not... No. Haven't really looked too deep into it either, so... Can you risk 10k like a real man?
Emotional damage.
That is hilarious. Can I risk 10k like a real... Yeah, let's do this. 10k. Let's just... Full port, guys. Let's do this. Like a real man. Come on. Be a man. Let's go. Oh gosh, I love it. I love it. I love it. Oh, flip, that's funny. The next move is to stop trading Bitcoin. I am a day trader. What's up? Patience pays, exactly. Which concepts you use for trading cash? I use market auction theory mixed with ICT and SMC confluences. I'm laughing because I know what Mudcrab's gonna say. See, I don't like that either. This is the only one I actually would have probably considered taking, and even then it would have just gotten me. Let's see how it reacts to the full range. Yeah, I don't like this. This is quite frustrating. Okay, let's see how it reacts here at opening price. Is it being drawn down to midnight open? Maybe. Here's midnight price, midnight range, whatever you want to call it. I'm on my phone. Oh, you're on your phone, Jack. Oh, but you should still be able to go and view it horizontally. If you go into the channel, you'll see there's two live streams at the same time. Ten contracts, let's go. Yeah, you're probably on the second stream. There's 2 streams. It's weird. I know, I'm sorry. Click on my name at the top, scroll down, you'll see 2 streams. T-levels and crayons. Yeah. No. You forgot crystal balls as well. I have, although I need only 600 points on the web, but in 3 to 4 candles. Sakile? I'm assuming you didn't hear now. So I trade market auction theory mixed with ICT and SMC confluences. Like I said, don't like any of these. I was bullish. Let's see if maybe I was incorrect in that. I don't want to say assumption. Assumption's bad. Prediction? Speculation. Speculation is probably better. When can you withdraw money from that? At 1 point. I still have to reach 53 again. Rip. Yeah, which is quite frustrating. So yeah, I still have to reach 53 again. And then, if I'm not mistaken... If I'm not mistaken, I need to then have a minimum... Actually, I don't know. I think I just need 53. It didn't say I need a minimum of like 1,000 to get a payout. Welcome to the real hood. I own something big, I need only 600-point fast move everywhere. Yeah, I'm zooming, okay. Hate London special. Oh. On the horizontal live now. Do you mind sharing your fib level? Oh, sure, no problem. Yeah. Can you see them better now? What do you think about my Forex funds coming back? Oh, Beans, you thinking what? That your Forex is gonna start climbing again? Potential. Hey, Gooman, am I reading? I am reading. What's up? Everyone is winning in live trade, then who is losing? No, not everyone's winning. No live? That sounds bad, but yeah, no live. Not everyone's winning, believe me. They have witnessed me have really bad days. I know some people have had bad days. I know Mac was having a bad week the other day. I know Ninja and I had a bad week. Not last week, the previous week. We're both just having a really bad week. I had a red week that week. Believe me, there's some days where losses happen. I know Mikawave, are you here? Mikawave had a little loss yesterday. It was his first trade on TradingView. So I know Mikawave had a little loss yesterday. You know, we're a very open and honest community. Yes, obviously it's nice to share the celebrations, but like I said, on Discord you can check out all my weekly stats as well. You can see the good, the bad, and the ugly. You can see every day the losses and the wins. Basically a week by week breakdown. So yeah, there's actual evidence there that it's not always a whoop whoop and sometimes it's a wop wop. New trading, does the bottom help out? I'm confusing, so I always remove them from my chart. These? The volume? Is that what you're asking? Eli? Is it Eli? Most are like 2600 for 500 withdrawal because of the buffer, so you actually want to check the rules just in case. Okay, I'll double check the rules. Let me go double check. Jag, you are welcome. Ninja with I'm very used to London these days, and I trade New York sometimes. Oh, I mean, listen, if you don't use them, then you don't need them, right? I don't necessarily always use them. I just know a lot of people yell at me if I don't have them. It is sometimes nice for me to see the volume and how it's reacting. Like, check up this volume for the buyers. Yeah, but they're not always necessary. You know, if it confuses you, get rid of them. If you don't use them, get rid of them. Each to their own, right? Not everyone trades the same. If they don't help you, you don't need them. Some people need them, some people use them, some people don't. Again, each to their own. Jag, the Discord is in the description below, but I can also quickly do this. Here we go, if you guys are keen. Sass. Boom, I am trading on funded. What's up? I am officially a funded person. I'm funded. But yes, I'm officially funded, people. I'm so excited. Here we go. There is the Discord in case you guys are keen. More than welcome to join the Discord. And you guys can check out everything. Like I said, you can check out the stats. You can see for yourselves. You can get in at London session and swing it to you can, but I don't know if I'd ever be able to leave a trade open. I don't know if that's in my capabilities as a human being. Sorry. Your balance should say 0. It's back to 0, technically, right? Checky check, what am I doing? Oh, check. Is that what you're saying? Check the damn rules. Is that what you were saying? I mean, I guess I might as well. This price action does kind of suck. No. I was gonna say, oh, we can check them together, but then you guys will see. Let me quickly see. Let's see, general questions. No. Okay. That's not what I wanted to see. Sorry, I'm looking at things. The PA was nice to me, was it? What did you get, Muddy? Top G, what's up? How are you doing? Jack, welcome. Dog casino where they can play poker, blackjack, or roulette. They'll have to go outside. Skeletor thought that was amazing. One of the best indicators to learn first as a new trader is price action volume and how they correlate. Sorry, not how they correlate with one another. It was nice to meet. Thanks for subscribing. I'm new to Discord, so not sure which tag to click for your daily trades. Oh, so Jack. So you can check. So under Maya, you'll see it says my trades, my real life, and my weekly stats. So obviously my trades and my weekly stats would be where you would see my trades, my weekly stats. I do also put some of the things under your accountability. It's more for me to keep myself accountable because I do dumb things sometimes. But yeah, that's where you would look. That's definitely making the call. Start waiting on breakfast and retest. Oh, on the break and retest. Yes. Black King, what's up? I got stopped out. No, but that's okay though, right? Never a loss, always a lesson. There we go. Let me go back. Okay. Okay. General rules. Let's see, what are the general rules? Daily drawdown, nope. Understanding drawdown, no. No, trading hours up on futures, explained. No. Let's see. Up on future path trading life. Can path live, didn't pay out the morning out. After 3 6 7 days, my one okay. Live account, other accounts, cost of fundamental trader capital based on trader behavior breach. Live transaction will learn even successful sim trades can struggle with psychology shift the bridge can cap. Okay. Reload environment where the last access trader handles like marks risk management. Daily payouts take up to 1 payout per day, starting the moment you're in profit. Oh, this is once you. Yes, never mind. Live hand remove and live yours profits after your third payout. Okay, so that's more to do with the live account. Blah blah blah. Move to live account. No, this is more just to do with live account. No. Half one, because this 25% only fund can upgrade challenge. Power taken. This is not a power. One or two highly volatile trading sessions. Okay, please note for the purpose of this trading day ends at 5 PM EST. Cool. Rule based on total profits over the entire period of your account. No single day profit should exceed 25% of the total profits. New rules sets you need. Okay. Okay. Trading results in 2,000. Your total profits wouldn't meet the consistency rule. I feel like 25% consistency rule is pretty hectic. Just saying, but anyways, whatever. Okay, let's do this. Sorry, I know I'm not, let me check. You must trade on at least 10 separate days. Okay. Minimum 7 profitable trading days. You need at least 7 trading days on which you can reach a realized profit of at least 0.1% of your trading balance. $50, 100 on a 100 count. Each payout has its own base your account balance at the time of the request. First payout 6% of the starting balance. Okay. Meh. What? Okay, I'm gonna have to do my own research. I'm thinking now, like, I could get a payout quickly. Never mind. I'll go do my own research. Don't mind me. I'm so sorry. What happened? What happened? What happened, dude? Never moves either profitable. Okay, I've missed a bunch. I'm so sorry. I'll go back and read up now. Read it in your head. Sorry, I mean, in the nicest way possible. Sorry. I'm only half watching. Don't stress. Don't stress. Stan, what's up? How we doing? Did you ever pass that eval? I did! I passed the eval. I'm officially funded. Why are we not moving today? I was hoping I'd be able to place a first trade as a funded trader today, but this is not moving how I would have wanted it to be moving, so I guess here we go. We sent the market rules, discipline, not prediction. Ooh. Oh, careful, Rip's gonna come for you if you say that. Just saying. We are trading with Maya, trading with Maya, trading with Maya. Hey, Ernest, what's up? How you doing? Not good enough to be treated. Why would you want to be treated badly? David, maybe you need to go see someone. Just a thought. Why do you want to be treated badly? Why don't you want to be treated with love? It makes no sense. It makes no sense. Is this mini or micro? It's micro. What's up? Never Nice Gaming? Oh no. Why is it Never Nice Gaming? Oh, it might be. Yeah. I was waiting. I was waiting. I was like, oh, Rip's gonna come for you guys. You all better run and hide. It's just cold. Oh my.
Emotional damage.
It's about right. Hey! That was good. That was good. That was really, really good. Never Nice Gaming, selling or buying? I was looking for buys, but looks like the bears are back in control, so let's see where we head now, and if I get an A+ setup to take a trade. That was pretty solid, guys. That was pretty damn good. Oh, sugar honey iced tea. I forgot to do this. Apologies, I forgot to do this. Whoop, whoop. My affiliate code if anyone is keen. Ta-da! Okay, but let's do this. Let's go back to focusing. I'll read up on the fine print later with regards to payouts and whatnots. I think I was maybe looking at the wrong thing as well. So let's see. Yeah, like I said, let's see. But going from here, I have nothing. I have absolutely nothing. Why is the price action so yucky? Like, it's moving, but it's not moving nicely. Like I said, I had this drawn out here, hey? Yeah, I had it drawn out like that. Let's see. Oh, let's see how this works, but yeah, I was keen on bulls taking over, but apparently not. Apparently bears are still taking control today. Thanks, Maddie. Whoever got into the short, kudos. Yeah, 100%. Did anyone have a whoop whoop? Are we super happy right now, or are we sad? Are we happy or sad? I'll have a look at that LP. Yeah, let me have a look-see about that. I would have been keen on this, but yeah. Sammy, your target is 24600. Nothing to be sad about, true. I've had a loss, could have been a second. Okay, I thought bulls would shop. Oh, shop. You mean show? Yes, no, 100%. Happiness abounds, yes. Hey, Microwave, where did you go? Did you go to the toilet again? You're always on the freaking toilet. What's up, Microwave? Okay, 3 minutes to go until 4. Which means... Let's see here, higher probability of it taking out the lows then today. That's interesting. Okay, that's pretty interesting. But that's fine, I think it's okay, right? It's going to move super slow till about 7:30, 8:30 EST. Why? Never Nice Gaming, why do you say that? Oh, Microwave is normally in the toilet. Maya is waiting for the trade that was promised for her 3,000 yet. Honestly, Green Globes, tell the market to get a grip, please, and thanks. Microwave is in the kitchen. Is he in the kitchen? What? Are you sure he's in the kitchen? He's always in the toilet. Ah, see? Okay, maybe it wasn't the toilet, it was the bathroom. Still, he was in the shower. But I still called it. I called it. The volume is always Never Nice Gaming, yes and no. Yes and no. I've traded London for a while, and sometimes I must say I know this sounds weird. I actually sometimes prefer London. I know I get a lot of hate for saying that, but some days I genuinely prefer trading London over New York session. Yesterday ironically had more. Just more. which is weird because yesterday I expected it to be shocking, but London was actually good. New York was shocking, but London was actually good yesterday. I want to see the dog. Give him a kiss. Bean, your presence has been requested. Come here. Yep, yep, yep. Oh, you want a sweetie? Oh, here we go. The promise of sweeties. He's like, I'm here. I usually don't win one. Come on. Yeah, there's my 4 AM alarm. Mwah. There we go. How cute is he? Ooh. There we go. These are from Rip. Yeah, these are from Rip. Some of the best tricks happened in the shower. Hey, Emma, what's up? Oh, here we go. Interesting. Maybe the full range was the way to go. Oh, it's created a W formation. 1, 2, 3, 4. Which means... Oh, we might get a pullback. Oh, we might get a pullback. No, wait. I only have two confluences. This is not quite 3. A little bit better. It's up a little bit higher. Rip, what's up? Why are you gonna die? That's so sweet. All the nice slow controlled setups are being right in the end of Asia session. Deal with choppers putting all over the keyboard waiting for a setup. Big Wave, that's hilarious. It's controllable during Asia and London. Exactly. Oh, because he's so cute. I get it. I get it. He is. He is actually... Rip, I'm conflicted. I am conflicted. Because this says it should want to go take out the lows. But it looks like it's pushing up. I love that line. Yeah, always. No, dogs are the best. I'm sorry. Dogs are number 1. Oh, guys. You actually wouldn't have seen me. I would have lost it. I would have not traded yesterday. I nearly hit a dog yesterday. These people let their dog out and ran across. It actually dunked into the side of my car. I literally pulled over, slammed my brakes, got out. I was shaking. Made sure the dog was okay. I nearly started crying. If I had hit the dog, I actually don't know. Oh my gosh, I would have lost it. Luckily he was fine and made sure he was okay. I nearly yelled at the owners for letting him out. I nearly lost the plot yesterday. Did you get your account? I do, Microwave. I got my account. Retest, can you go over your confidence levels and how you see them? Sure, Jack, I can. It's why I'm conflicted about this one. Okay. But that's a really nice rejection. Shoot. Okay, so give me 2 seconds. Give me 2 seconds. Really nice wicks there. But There's a bit of a battle going on here, but I'm gonna leave it like that for now. Okay, so sweet and simply, so Jack, what I do, like I said, this isn't the best. This isn't the best. So for me, an A+ setup needs at least 3 confluences. Minimum of 3 confluences for it to be an A+ setup. Oh, this is looking a little bit better now. If this continues to go this way. Okay, does mean I'm gonna have to put 6 contracts in though, not 7. So I need a minimum of 3 confluences. So I look for fair value gap. So we can see we got a bit of a fair value gap, and all of them must be protecting the stop loss. So I got my fair value gap. I got my shelf. I call it a shelf. A lot of people would call it maybe a pivot point. Sorry, we've had discussions about what you would consider a shelf. I got my shelf. I call them shelves. So I got fair value gap. I got my shelf. I got a little bit of an order block, and I got my bob level. So actually, this is really not bad now. The only thing that I don't like is that the 4 a.m. opened below the 3 a.m. open, which means probability-wise it should want to come and take out the lows, not go back up to the highs. But I got my confluences, they are there. Probability-wise, though, not ideal. Did just tap into these, but that's not it. If it came back down a little bit further, it's really not bad. Oh, silent viewer, what's up? Welcome. I love it. That would have no, Maddie, I would have lost it. You are a funded trader. Rip won't be here forever. No, Rip, you're here forever. You stay. You stay. I love dogs, but I also don't like them. What? Mikuave? I need you to explain that right now. Right now. From a fellow... Oh! Yes! There's a fellow girl trader. I love it. I love it. Talk more, please. We need more estrogen up in here. Where did Debbie go, by the way? Let's actually message her. Ayo, Jody, what's up? This is looking like a perfect Maya trade. Yep, Muddy, it is. Did she ever answer? Did she pass her eval yesterday? Oh! Regan, yes, I did. I did pass my eval. I'm officially a funded trader. What's up? Basically decided between the bulls and the bears. Yeah, that's my shelves. Which is definitely an indicator. Thank you. Well, thank you, Regan. You're such a sweetie pie. Yeah, I'm officially funded. Super exciting. I got my certificate. Boop boop. Okay, it's fine if it goes slow with bulls. I actually prefer it if it goes slow with bulls. You need it to go fast with bears. That's too fast. Slow down. Let's see. Mikuwave in the other stream chat today. Well, let's see. Mikuwave, are you still there? Don't do the sad noise. It has to tag me in first. Let's see. It's not the end of the world if it is a loss. It is what it is. Points. I got my confluences. I put the correct amount of contracts. Now it's hands off and I leave it alone. If this missed me by a tick, I'm gonna be a grumpy goose. Did you hear me? Grumpy goose. Cool. It's like the best dog you could ask for, but I don't like other people's dogs. People don't. They jump all over me. Pulls in my clothes. Okay, Big Wava, I get it. That does kind of make sense. I mean, Perry, when he was a puppy, oh my gosh. Number 1, adorable. Whoop whoop. This is gonna make me my money back. Might get a little crazy. Iron silly goose. Wow. Rough. Like I said, let's see what happens. I like the bigger wicks to the side, but doesn't look great on ES. Shoot. Bit of a volume imbalance on ES. Just kind of tap into it. Did respect it quite nicely. Let's see. Let's see what happens. It's placed. Now it's hands off. Got the correct amount of contracts. Got my A+ setup. Now leave it the heck alone. When is a fisherman cost offensive? He's out of line, Skeletor. You know what? You know what? That actually deserves this. That deserves this.
Nice.
That does. Had a few dogs bite me and a few that tried to attack my dog and I had to fight them all because stupid people don't know how to control them. No, I agree, right? But I think the thing is that it's never the dog's fault. And I always think that's really sad. It's never the dog's fault. Like there's a dog at the stables that attacked a horse. And I was like...
Nice.
Okay, let's see what happens here. Okay, let's see if this works. There's essentially the trade idea. You know, it's more that if I don't know that dog, it probably won't bother going near it. No, 100%. First trade funded. Okay, let me join you on the— No, Jordy, don't. What if it's bad? What if it's bad? David learned to trade you and start trying to pass your eval. Yeah, tell him, Muddy. Come on. Cause we found Jordy, you guys are so cool. I hope you know that. You guys are amazing. I mean, it was a good rejection off of that fair value gap in that shelf. Let's see. I mean, I would prefer a little bit more of a rejection, but I like the level, so. Too sad, it makes the line go up. Oh no, Jordy, don't take it. Jordy, don't take it. I would purposely blow the account. Why would you do that though, David? Oh no. Oh no. And... David, why is that working so well? Oh, it's right by, but it's not on it. Oh my gosh, are you guys just spamming sad? I feel like I'm so far in on the strategies. I'll turn back now, my eyes kind of turning to different strategies. Microwave, that's interesting. Oh my gosh. Just sad music now. It's not below, I don't see it below. I see this one here. I don't really see it below though, Rip. Tapped into it on ES. Okay, this might want to come take out the shorties. Oh well, it is what it is. Thanks for the tip. Yeah, it might go down. It's okay. Check the 50-minute looks good for longs. The whole time I was talking, yeah. Get trades, just wait for closure. Well, it's hands off regardless, so whatever happens now, happens now. Market manipulation team. One way to manipulate the market, make it feel bad. Oh my word. We're trying to guilt trip the chart. I know, it's weird. It hit it's the bearish candle and bullish candle open above bearish candle close. Oh, I see it. Okay. But it wasn't below this. I see this. No, now you lost me. I'm gonna have to have a double. It's the bearish candle and then bullish candle open. This one here? Yeah? Is this the one you were talking about? Okay, let's see. The market makers are watching you here. It's interesting to get an outsider point of view of the chart wiggles. Yeah, muddy a little bit, hey. Jet, you're in the longs right now too? Okay. Gosh, when we're all in the longs, it makes me nervous. And then I'm like, oh no. We all see them then, oh dear. Come on, reject properly. Okay, well, it's not looking too great, but it doesn't matter because I had my confluences, I had my A+ set up, so it was hands off. Regardless of what happens, it was an A+ setup. Yeah, it's gonna take me out now. What's your TP, Jet? Big line, can you go on my green trade? It makes you think back to before you started trading. Look at the true. The iron, it's a good trade. No, but that's exactly it. So even if it is a loss, it is what it is. It was an A+ strategy. Then you end up robotic mode, staring at chart wiggles. Yeah. But that's where it kind of is at. That's why I said, like, even if it does take me out, I'm not upset. I know it's the first trade for the funded, so theoretically I should be like, oh no, but it was an A+ setup, so me. It reminds of the trading memes where you have one massive red candle like no other year. Absolutely, losses are healthy, yeah. Can you show me the 15-minute? I can. Let's check the 15-minute and wait for a beep. Oh, good grief. Well, that's not good. That 15-minute rejection is something else. We'll just call it something else. It's a lot of sadness. Be a little bit more positive. Don't worry. That's just how David thinks he can manipulate the market to go. No losses here. Only learning exactly. But the coin is not done flipping yet until it's done flipping. That's true. That's true. I've had weirder things happen before. The right trade doesn't matter if it doesn't work out. Exactly. Like I said, I'm not upset. Well, it hasn't taken me out yet, but if it does, I'm not upset because it was an A+ setup, had all my confluences, correct contracts. I didn't try and minimize or do anything. Correct amount of contracts, correct mindset. So that's all that matters. Looks like you're meeting resistance from the 15-minute gap, but the market sentiment seems shifted. Looks like we should go higher. I would just wait for an internal manipulation. It's never about this one trade. But that's exactly right. It's never about one trade. Oh gosh, I'm in the middle of a confluence. Oh, yeah. How much money do I make? I guess it depends on the day. I got an eviction note. What happened? What? No? Huh? 611 would be a great long entry. 611. Don't say 611. Brother Bear? Funny those VIs. I know, Rip. Why do you think I always try and take note of them? I really do, believe it or not. I really do try to take note of them. I'm guilt tripping the chart. Like, then go higher. That's interesting. Yeah, I think you're correct. Huh. Take out the lows and go back up. Take out the lows. Rip. Take out the damn lows. Oh well, it's fine. Why do you place multiple contracts? Jag, so sweet and simply, I always risk $200. So I risk $200 So I mean, if it's tiny, sometimes I would put like 16 contracts. That was yesterday. Yesterday I actually had 16 freaking contracts. What did Mikuabe do? Oh my gosh. Got my answer now. Why did I oh, I tried this protein hack. I'm wondering if this will work with beans. And what is with you and beans on peanut butter and jam? It's gross. Do I trade New York? Felix, I do trade New York. Yeah, I'm here both London and New York session. Yes, the market shall acknowledge me. Just keep them. Just keep them. Just like plug into the tower. What did I just read? Or go up and take out the highs before coming back down. Can we see the 1 minute again? We can. Oh, look at that. 1 minute. Looks like so. Did tap into the 50%, which means I mitigate risk by half. Do have this imbalance. If it goes back down, I might go down lower and lower, so it's fine. Watch out for slippage. When trading on TradingView, it slips a lot. What do you mean exactly by slippage? Slippage sounds bad. What do you mean exactly by slippage? Maybe that's a dumb question to be asking, but slippage? Question mark? Okay, cool. Not just me. Mudcrab, me and you. Same area about moving stuff. I know, Muddy. I mean, Muddy. Well, I know Muddy also agrees with you, Rip. Hey, Sir White, what's up? It's an interesting volume imbalance on ES. What would you call that? So I know that's quite a random question. What would you call... Does this type of candle have a name? It's not really a doji. It's... Sorry, maybe that's a dumb question. This particular little candle here, the 1118. What would you call that? Like, does it have a name? Slippage is when your order gets filled, worse... Oh, okay, got it. Oh, I have seen it does sometimes do that. Only run multiple contracts instead of one contract. Yeah, because I'm on the micros. You stop at 200, it'll stop you out at 220. Eh? Big V? Oh! Never mind, I got it. I got what you mean. Sorry, that took me a minute. Inverted hammer. Interesting. Really doing a wonderful job here. I love it. Thank you. It's a tombstone. You zoom in a bit on the 1 minute so we can see better. Sure. So. Okay, back in. Below this volume imbalance. This might come and take me out for a half loss. Want to see it respect the volume imbalance. I'll be down for some chickpeas. What? Ew, what is life, bro? How you doing? Gravestone Doji. Is it? Oh, it is. Oh no, guys, it's a Mojo Jojo. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. The Mojo Jojos tend to go down. Maya should know not to trade in the Mojo Jojo! I didn't realize it was a Mojo Jojo! Is it going up or down today? Lady? Excuse me. I'm a man. No, I'm joking. So going up or down today, I was keen on bulls, but let's see. Metals on Trader have had price lag because the spreads are so wide. Oh, wide spreads usually create more slippage. Slippage makes it hard to profit. But isn't that the one good thing about futures? Is that the spreads aren't as hectic, right? Everybody panic. It's going down. Watching how it reacts here. No. Basically. I'm a mess. Overall down, it looks like it'll go more down today. Oh, never nice gaming. Yeah. Don't get me wrong, it's a bearish market. It's a bearish market, but I was keen on bulls to retest higher up.
Nice.
Oh gosh. A little bit of a volume imbalance here. Let's see how it reacts there. Not a solid break above, but it started to break above there. I'm so sorry. Am I behind? Micro spreads are usually less than minis. Futures are better than most. Better than most, but slippage still happens. I was down 350 when I entered a silver trade last week because the spreads were crazy down. That's a bit insane though. The move. Let's go break even to minimize risk at this point. So I have a rule with the break even. When looking for retest, if you go for a 25% retest, you'll win 90% of the time. That's interesting. When you go 25% retest, where would you put the stop loss though? Let me get my notepad. Okay. W here. Really struggling to break above. I know it's not good to go break even, but I am going break even because this is a little bit risky. I know it's bad, I should maybe take profits, but let me go break even. You have sell stuff spending, but you're in a buy right now, right? Yep, Jack, 100%. Hey, micro brother! What's up? Finish short in gold, long in Bitcoin. Probably getting stopped. No, Leo! Good. Out of you. Stop loss would go on to this account 1.2 drawdown. Yeah, I know it's maybe cheeky for me to not follow those rules, but it is a little bit more of a risky trade, so let's hands off. If you're comfy with minus 200, you can always do that as well. That's very interesting. And that's where trailing drawdown will be.
Why are you doing this? Why are you even thinking this way?
I'm sorry, that was for Rip's comment. That was unhinged. Oh my gosh. And David's normally the unhinged one. Good grief. Bruh. Rippy, are you good? That was different. That was very, very different. I wasn't expecting to to read that today. But anyways, moving on. Let's go back to focus on this trade. That was unhinged, but here we are. It's a nice trade, but I'm feeling it. Thank you, Muddy. I appreciate it. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh my gosh. We should stay in that VWAL in a trade. I think more people want to see, okay guys, which is better? Here for while in a trade or here? I mean, here or the normal scene? Which one's better while in a trade? Can you guys see better? Let me know. Which one do you guys prefer? I may be in a London long while driving. There's not... Oh, yeah, I thought you weren't trading London. Wow, you changed screens. That was good. Oh, thank you. I forgave it so bad. You kind of got cooked. We're trading money. Jordy, are you still in this trade, by the way? If you look at any movement in the past, always request 25% of the way back. Normal seemed too much. Yeah, wow. Have you thought of also using the 30 seconds alongside the woman? Eddie, I can't use the 30 seconds with TradingView because I don't have that particular package. Anyways. Normal sentiment. Thank you. They don't call my spring clip. Yes, along with you, higher target though. Ooh, interesting. Well, I mean, I've left my runner for up here, the highs, basically. I don't know if I should move it to the VWAP, but I've left it for the highs. I don't know if that's maybe greedy. Yeah, so here's my runner. Let me know what you think. My defense is oh, okay, then that's valid, OTT. Okay, that's okay. That's okay. Yeah, you like the zoomed in. Ayo! Okie dokie! Then I can stop that one. Oh, we got 4 cons left. Let's see. Okay, I'll just place this in case, you never know. So I'll stop for now. And then we'll make it the usual. Okay, whoop whoop! That was very close to not being a whoop whoop, not gonna lie. That was very, 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 very close. That was very close. That was very close. But it's okay. Ooh. Yay, first win for good luck. A higher TP bot and no runner. Oh, thank you, Theodore. You're so sweet. When did you become profitable? I don't know, like 2 months ago, I guess. Maybe. I guess. I actually don't know when I would consider myself having been. Seriously? A tick away? That feels rude. Jimbo. OTT. I appreciate that. You're very sweet. I don't think so though, but I appreciate that. Thanks, guys. First trade out the gate greed. Yay. Welcome from you, my crab. Your guilt tripping got you this winning trade. You guys did. You guys literally guilt tripped the chart into moving up, which is wild. The coin hath flipped. No point giving away that profit. But it's not giving away any profit. Oh, you profit no ads, just so bloody amazing. I like to trade dangerously. WP noob, what? Watch out, VWAP. Oh, thank you, Muddy. My sweet little affiliation funded trader. That's hilarious. Thank you. Oh, that's pretty funny. Souls Hustler? No, I trade both London and New York session. Yeah, I'm here both London and New York session every day, y'all. Maya looks like she's ready to slay a dragon with that top. I'm not gonna lie. That would be pretty cool. Not even gonna lie. I would love to dress up as, like, I don't even know, a badass warrior chickaboo. What about a Viking? I think I give off like Viking type vibes. No? Would I ever be able to fight like one? No. I'm actually pretty damn weak, but here we are. Oh, well played. Thank you. Well played, noob. Well, I'm pretty sure that WP noob and the fact that I didn't know what WP stood for does answer that question, that I am indeed a noob. Ta-da! Okay, now we leave one trailing. So I'll stop here. Follow the lows. I've left it for there. I don't know if it feels greedy. Is this greedy? The highs. I've left it for the highs. Maybe greedy would be aiming for VWAP or Asia high. Can you imagine Asia high? Ooh. That would be quite impressive. Jordy. 690. Oh, damn. Okay, so 690 is your target. Did it get you? Jordy, did it miss you? Oh my gosh. Greedy is me. Boop boop, I'm out. Can't be a dick for it. I read that out loud. I didn't mean to read that out loud. I'm so sorry. Oops. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I have my one that's going up. Let's see. We are up $371 now. That's cool.
Why are you doing this? Why are you even thinking this way?
It is not greedy since it's your honor. True. Thank you, Muddy. I mean, it was a very, 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 very freaking close trade. Very. It missed my stop loss by a damn freaking tick, but it was good. Okay, let's pop this on Discord. Discord, my trades. Well, I'm offended. Gosh, can't speak English, I can't type English. Maybe I'm not English, maybe I need to just learn a different language. Oh, you said a bad word. I'm so sorry, Must I go? Okay, I'll put myself in timeout. I need to have a swear jar. I know, I'm so sorry. I don't know landlord a day trade, now we both are rent. That's Sandfax, that's awesome. You post your trades a bit confused on how you place 7 contracts. So Jag, let me just show you. So you saw I used my GAN box, right? Drew my GAN box up here, correct? Then I took the long position, posted it, and click create limit order. And here you can see limit order. Here's the 7, and it sorry, I did 6, not 7. Hey, yeah. 6, and then you can see the amount here is 201. If I traded 7, it would have been $234, risking too much. 201 is the correct amount of contracts that I wanted to see with the correct amount of TP that I would want to get from there. And yeah, then I just clicked buy. That's it. Yeah. Ta-da! Yeah, so that's then how you get it, because then you can see the amount of contracts and you go from there. Does that make sense? Jack, does it make sense to you? Type Spanish, I must. Henchman, bring the... That's a beautiful teacup in here. The VIs I was talking about though, please show them to the audience. Sure thing, chicken wing. So we... Okay, so let me also make sure that I understand. I see there's... Oh, you were talking about this one, right? I mean, there's a tiny one here. There's this volume imbalance here. This one. So there's this volume imbalance. You can see it literally, when it came back down the second time, it tapped into that. Oh, wait. Well, you can see it respected that volume imbalance, but that wasn't the volume imbalance. There was this one. I mean, it's a tiny one, but it's still there. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to zoom in solidly to actually take it across. But then the second one, rip, that's the one I'm a little bit confused about. Is it this? No, it won't be that. Oh, this? No. Yes. Is this the... Was that the volume imbalance you were talking about? You've gotten me confused now, Rip. Which one? Which candle? One thing I've noticed is after a winning trade, you always say this could have been, which is good, and thinking the way of being able to recognize that, but I know it's after that. Yep, 100%. Cheers, Geordie! Now to get the negative part, because I promise you, you'll notice the difference. Thanks, Muddy. I appreciate that. Okay, Jack, I can. Sure. Let me show you. Okay, got it. LP, I am still in the trade, yes. Yep, still in the trade. Have my trailing to there. Just have it a bit lower, but otherwise I'm still in this. Tapped into this bit of an order block over here. Let's see if it retests. It is what it is. I still want to see it go higher. You know what? I'm actually going to put it to the body of these candles. Let's check the 5 minute. Ooh! Oh my goodness. Okay then. Wow. Screw it, I'm putting this to Bob level. Okay. Still following, that's fine. Ah, check here. Actually, it respected the 5 minute volume imbalance. Check here. Check at this 5 minute volume imbalance that it created right there. It respected the 5 minute volume imbalance, Rip. Right there, it's what it rejected off of nicely. Okay. 5 minute volume imbalance for the winsies. Yes, I just said winsies, like a lame human being, but a winsies. Could actually be better down here, but I'm sticking with the bob levels. Let's see. Let's see how the bob levels work. Yeah, I'm gonna stick with the bob levels because it's right by that, so that's fine. Yeah, if this starts to push higher, then I'll move it to the new one.
Why are you even thinking this way?
Look at the 5-minute. Yep, doing the sand makes the line go up. That's why we change frames. Being dramatic. Those people, man. Gives Emma Thompson. Thompson? I do? Nice. It's okay, we're just here for fun. No emotion required. Yeah. Yeah, what is a volume imbalance? There's an imbalance. The market's not balanced. There was an imbalance. I feel there was an imbalance in the volume. How else to explain it? There was an imbalance. You put me on the spot and then I panicked. You know, there was an imbalance because now there was a gap betwixt the two, which means that the price jumped so quickly that there was no orders in that level, and the market always wants to correct imbalances. The market always wants to be in balance. It's all about equilibrium. I hope that answered that. Maybe not very well, but yeah. Some voodoo. There we go. Damn it. Why didn't I just say that? Rip. When Rip is right, Rip is right. It's just some voodoo, some woo-woo that we don't know about. Some voodoo woo-woo. I've gone through 2 liters of iced coffee. 2 liters! Equilibrium. There we go. See? All about them equilibrium, people. Equilibrium. Equilibrium. Anyways. I promise I'm actually normal. That's a lie. I just lied to you guys. Maybe I should put myself in timeout. I'm really not normal. I am many, many things. But normal definitely is not one. I'm weird as they come. What's on my forehead? There's some dirt on my forehead. Anyways. Yeah, I'm super weird, but... I mean, you guys know that, right? You guys know that I'm super weird anyways. It's nothing new. It's not new information. The candles leave a gap between open and close. Either price moved too fast or there wasn't liquidity. No need to be normal. True, you normal. Wow, buddy. What is my strategy? If you were normal, no one would be here, honestly.
Emotional damage.
But it's true. Normal is boring. You're kind of a weirdo. Just kidding, just kidding. You are correct. I pressed the wrong button. Whoopsies! Oh, good grief. What is my strategy? Sorry, my strategy is market auction theory mixed with ICT and SMC confluences. Pew, 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 pew. Okay. Still missed me with the... Oh, sorry, Jack. Okay. So, 7 contracts. So, you saw here that I clicked here, I said create limit order, right? So, I didn't have 7 contracts, I had 6 contracts. I'm just going to talk over the sad music, sorry. So, I had 6 contracts because, can you see here? I don't know if you can see here. It's... The risk is $201, so $200 risk. That's what I want. If I'd put 1 contract, I would have risked $33, which means I only would have made $67. I have a 1 to 2 R strategy, so does that make sense? 1 contract for the amount of... Anyways, 1 contract for the amount of points, so the size of my stop loss, would have been $33. I want to risk $200, which means it was 6 contracts, because that was $201 if we're going to be super specific. So that's why it was 6 contracts. Does that make sense? You are a silly goose in human form, and you know what? I love that. I'm so fine with being a silly goose in human form. That is awesome. We all love your weirdness, which pretty goes all right. Wow. Equilibrium, yep. Hey, Paternal House, I'm trading the Nasdaq futures.
That's what she said.
How did Kara mess up your phone? Yo, I have questions. What did Kara do? How did she do it? How did she mess up your phone? I have questions. I have so many questions. Was it because she was downloading Discord? Michael, was it because she was downloading Discord? The answer better be yes. And that she was downloading Discord. Just saying. Just saying. Anyways, moving on. So now she said works when I don't need it to. That's so funny. I'm so sorry. Oh, goodness. If I'm correct, all 6 contracts were placed at the same time, and if it stopped you out, you would have lost $200 on all 6. No. No. 6 contracts equaled $200. If it was only 1 contract, it would have been $33. So, you know, 33 times 6. So all 6 would have equaled $200. I would have only lost $200. Yes? Jack, does that kind of make sense? Have you ever considered to use ICT as your primary trading method and the rest as the confluences? Not really. Not really, no. Every time she uses it, the emojis are off and also auto corrected slightly. I'm so sorry. Wow. Oh, you guys. The drama. I mean, I'm all for it, but still. Is Kara watching this? Kara, go hit him over the head. It's your time. It's your time, Kara. Go whack him. Whack him with a frying pan. It's your time to shine. It is respecting this. Oh, never mind. If it goes a little bit higher, I can move to this. Go a little bit higher. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. JV, why? How do I put this? Sweet and simply, my strategy makes sense to me. Does that make sense? Like, it's simple enough because I overthink things. That's my speciality. I love, maybe love is the wrong word, but I do tend to overthink things quite a lot. And ICT can, I don't want to say it's complicated because it's not just some, you know, there's a lot to overthink. There's a lot to overthink. My strategy is super, super basic and super, super simple, and it works for me. It works. I need something that I can't overthink too much. That's basically why. Kara's always watching. She's fallen in love. Aww. She's with you. How exactly could you read my question again, Jack? Who knows how to explain this correctly with regards to the contract situation? Maybe I'm not explaining it properly. 6 contracts as a whole equaled $200. So if it had tagged out 6, I would have lost the $200. But it only tagged out 5 and kept 1. For example, I would not have lost $200. It would have been less than $200 because each contract in this case was equal to 33 point something dollars. Okay. Does that make sense? She saw it and said, "You're single." Wow. Have I tried, Poachan, have I tried? I have tried other strategies, yes. I have indeed. I definitely have. Can promise you that much. If I move this to this, this feels a little bit risky because this could still, but I guess if it's going to do that, it's going to take me out regardless, so I might as well just go there. I'm calling in for swing lesson. It's quite literally my favorite thing about trading yet. Or I'm single because I like having a happy bank account. Rap! So not all 6 contracts were placed at the same time. No, they were all placed at the same time because if it were not 6 contracts, it wouldn't have been $200. Ninja, it is! What's up? Not what you noticed, little sim. You should be casting in the sim. Wow. Fatality. Just saying. Internet different. No, Jack, all of them at... Yeah, I'm a bit confused with my strat. Is it because you're overthinking things, Mikuave? Is it because you're overthinking things? Believe me, I've done the overthinking thing. It's not fun. Done it plenty of times. A plethora of times, if you will. Yes, I didn't have to wait for someone.
Emotional damage.
Are we about to have a domestic up in here? David? Kara? I can't have you guys fighting. I'm just saying. I'm putting it out there. Behave. Okay, moving on. Just kidding. Kara, go beat him up with a frying pan. Goodness gracious. You did your part. Now let the runner do the damage if he wants to. True. This is such a painful hole. Wait, OTT, are you still in this? Biggest squishiest hug ever. Oh, Ninja, you're such a sweetie pie. Thank you. Oh wait, I have to now update my balance. Balance. What is the wait, I guess there's no point in updating it until this has gone up. Okay, let me then not mess with it until later. Just hit my TP. Yeah! Whoop whoop, buddy! Well done. Yep. Yes, I hate it, but like I said, there's some things that don't really make sense to me. Sometimes it works so well, and sometimes I'm looking at the screen and like, it's my first day again. I mean, Mikuwave, is it just because maybe the price action for that day isn't ideal? Like, does that make sense? Maybe it's just the price action for that day. Whoop whoop! Okay, maybe. Yeah, it's a bit of a tricky one. If you want to try new strategies, go for it. I mean, I had to... This sounds bad. I know strategy hopping is bad, but in the beginning, I did indeed do some strategy hopping until I found this, and I was like, this one makes sense. Now I just have to work... It made sense for me. I think that's what's important. And some people don't get it, some people don't like it. It is what it is, but it made sense to me. It wasn't overcomplicated. So, I mean, don't get me wrong, I still overthought, but it's not even complicated and I overthought this. So can you imagine more complex strategies? My brain would be going... Anyways. So, wasn't overcomplicated. Theoretically, I shouldn't be overthinking it, but I did. But that's just who I am. You know, I overthink things. Cheers, Ninja, you're amazing. I'm glad it hit. I think it's going higher, but I didn't like that PA all too much. Nah, Muddy. This price action does suck. Like I said, if it takes me out, it takes me out. Last 2 weeks have been a... Big Wobber, that's interesting. I'm telling you, care about the trade anymore. Come get these 2 kittens, Parody. Oh. The neighbor has 2 cats, and neither of them are scared of him. He's this big-ass dog, and they just look at him. Because he doesn't care. He's so cute. I mean, if the X is high volatility is high normal first day, you can avoid markets. Just take the day off when you see it's hard. This is such a drag. OTT, okay, wait, give me 2 seconds. Perry? Hey, man, bud. Sorry, Perry wants to go outside. Give me 2 seconds. thought he wanted to go outside and then he didn't actually follow me, so he's just chilling here. So never mind then. I guess we're good. I hope I'm able to understand. All 6 placed at the same time, 6 contracts. And if you got stopped out, it would only have cancelled. No. So... Jag, do you have Discord? This feels that way, so basically you want to just stick to your strategy and trust it in your gut and the chart wiggles. How long have I been trading? Aw, hey, thanks, Shane. Shanae? Sorry, I don't want to assume. I'm gonna say Shane, but I have been trading for not even a year yet. It will be a year in April. So yeah, and basically, well, I mean, Feb's kind of nearly done, which is super weird. So yeah, I guess you could say I've been trading for 10, 11 months. Child level of day trading to where you can predict every single trade, even an A+ setup. Yep. GG. 15 minute, please. I gotcha. Let's check the 15 minute. 15 minute. Oh, good break above on the 15 minute. Oh no. Here is quite a bit of resistance at that 705 level. Let's see how it responds here. Good push there. That was pretty good. He shares on level to level trading. He shares all his levels, but a lot of them I just can't seem to get. Calvin, which broker am I currently using? I'm currently using Top 1 Futures. Yeah, currently using Top 1 Futures. Like I said, I've been quite enjoying them. They're really quick with their responses. I'm affiliated with Traderify though, guys. So yes, if you guys want to check out all the props that I'm affiliated with, it is in the description below. You can use my code. It's the same for each and every single prop firm. It's Teachmeyer, all caps. Like I said, all the props I'm affiliated with are in the description below. Be quick.
That's what she said.
Yeah, be quick. Anyways, be quick. Top 1 is having a 40% discount. 50% on straight to funded, if I'm not mistaken, but 40% discount on all the other accounts. Again, you can use my code for that. Traderify, I'm gonna have to double check. I don't know if they're having that special anymore, but they are now crypto. You can use crypto for Traderify. You can get a crypto account, and you can also use my code for that. Super duper exciting. And yeah, Violin is having a 79% discount. Violin is pretty freaking good as well. Like I said, those are probably like the main or the top 3 just for now, in my opinion. But like I said, you can check out all the ones in the description below, and it's my affiliate code is Teachmeyer, all caps, no gaps. Mikuwave. Oh, Jack, cool, awesome. Okay, then I'll help you out later. Okay. Hey, Ruben, what's up? Your runner is my full TP. Ooh, okay, OTT, nice. Mix double up, what's up? I'm from SA, how's it going? Hit the daily hand, I believe there's a point of interest on there I'd like you to spot. Okay, let me check the daily. Wait, let me just close all. Sorry, I'm just waiting. I want this to break above and then I can move this to the new low. Yep, never mind. Still got a few seconds. Let me check the daily. Let me close everything. Well, there's the 996. If you're talking about like this 0.60 level. I've been keen on that 0.60 level. I mean, there's also here, there's the fair value gap, which would be at 997-ish. 997-ish. Also been keen. Maybe wants to tap back into this little bit of an order block. Me. What do Rip say? Cheers, Rippy. Enjoy. We're good. Happy to see you. Hope you had a lucky day ahead. Hey, Ruben. Well, Ruben, guess what? I'm officially a funded trainer. Sorry. So that's exciting. Passed my eval yesterday. That was awesome. Ah, this might come and take me out now. Let's see. That 997. $997. Oh, yes, the top of here. Got it. 997. I think I actually do have it marked out, to be fair. I think I do have it marked out. I'll have to double check on the 1 minute. This might come and take me out now. Let's see. Okay, well, we're still in this. For now. Thank you! Thanks, Jack. I'll answer. Okay, cool. I'll go check it out. Dom, I go short with you. I'm not in a short. I got a runner going for a long. Aquarium. We have an aquarium? Why do you have an aquarium? I funded yesterday. It was heartbreaking. I'm taking a break. No! I'm so sorry. It's okay though, right? Things happen. Things happen. We just gotta keep on keeping on, right? Keep on keeping on. I can't believe I said it like that, but keep on keeping on. No need to all that analysis. More awesome. Thank you, my amazing chart. Oh, Green Globe, I got you. So the set isn't for you. It's to manipulate the charts for my log runner. I got it, don't worry. Ah, what's up? Mini Dolly, how you doing? Yes, Katie. Nice. How are you? How goes it? Oh, this might come and take me out. Oh well, it is what it is. I used to have an aquarium, and then I got a wife. I no longer have an aquarium. Okay, but hear me out, right? Like, who am I to judge? I have horses and things, and I think a lot of people judge me for that, but why do you want an aquarium? Like, I've never... Like, I understand fish are pretty and things like that, but it feels like a lot of hard work and you don't get anything out of it. That sounds... But yeah, you know, like, dogs and cats, you can cuddle and they're cute and, you know, you can play with them. Fish, you just stare at them. Hey, High Life, what's up? This whole month, 5 trades, 2 losses. That's not bad, OTT. What the heck, man? Are you still in this? Invest in coconut milk. Don't trust... Coconut milk? Why coconut milk? I've never heard anyone say coconut milk. Which firm is that? This is Top 1 High Life. See, I know nothing about fish. I'm just like, that's nice. That's really nice. And fishy go glub glub. That's all I know. Fishy go glub glub. Front line. Oh, okay, cool. Okay, now we're talking about like Call of Duty stuff or something, right? This is Call of Duty stuff. Ah, okay. Gonna take me out there. There we go. Okay, so taken out there, but that's fine then. Had a runner. OTT? It's not bad, just slow. Usually 12 to 14 trades a month. Damn. Special exotic fish. Okay, let me now put the new amount in. 5338. It's the only problem with leaving a run if it goes back down. You don't get your profit as much, but that's okay. Okay, let's update the balance. And 60. Done. Okay. Break even probably gonna get hit. No, little babies didn't take enough to rearrange your tanks to let them find somewhere where you can stay away from the other fish that eat them. Anyways, trading. Never walk away. Okay. When can you demand a payout? Good grief. So I was having a look at that earlier. I'm gonna have to go and double check. I'm gonna have to go double check. I could stare at them for hours, watch all their little lives and how they go about protecting the youngins. Okay, that's quite cute. How many days? 10. No, I'm gonna have to double check. 25% consistency rule though, but that's fine. Ayo, some guy, what's up? Happy Tuesday to you. First payout is so special. Thanks. Oh, thank you, some guy. You're such a sweetie pie. Yes, special little monkey, you know. Do I even... What does that mean? Do I even want to know what that means? I feel like I don't even want to know what that means right now. No, it's fine. I don't want to know what that means. Okay, let's continue, people. The bubblers in aquarium are actually good for helping you sleep. Oh, that makes sense though. Hey Gary Hicks, do I ever trade gold? I have. I don't want to say yes because I've taken like 3 trades on gold, but I don't think that counts. I'm pretty sure that does not really count, right? Can't spell funded without fun, and I've had a lot of it following your dirt. Some guy, you're such a sweetie pie, thank you. But yeah, can't spell funded without fun. I love it. I love it. Well, looks like we're now going down. I expected it to go a little bit higher. I really thought it would tap back into the bob level. I mean, it could still go further up. There was a very good rejection there. Oh well, the resistance just won and the sellers were like, okay, let's do this. For you, it certainly helps. Interesting, I think. Kind of. Interesting. I don't know, we're now talking about fish. I must say, we have the weirdest freaking conversations on this. Okay. Moving on. Market is kind of toast. Yeah, it's not great today, is it? I just thought this would be better. Alright, I thought this market would... Okay, it is London. It is London. Can't expect crazy daisy things out of London, but it's okay. Let's see what happens now. Let's see what happens now. What do we think is gonna happen, guys? Do you think this is just now gonna continue going, I don't want to say sideways, but kind of sideways? OTT, are you still in this? I literally can't believe we are going sideways right now, but that's okay. Sideways we go. Sorry, I know I'm doing weird and wonderful things and singing to myself, but that's what we do. And I can't move my chair, so we're staying like this now. Not a message? What's up, London? What's happened across the wiggle from the current? Oh, nothing. It's just going sideways. We'll go to last down. And there I have a whoop whoop. Hey, Dom, nice! If CPI earnings and good data doesn't make the market go up, it's keep going down for a while until it finds buyers. That makes it, like I said, I do believe this is a bearish market. I just really thought we'd have a bit of a stronger retest back up to VWAP today. That's what I suspected would happen, but yeah, clearly the sellers now took over, and that's fine. Damn, a little tap into that volume imbalance again. Look at the power of this little volume imbalance. Damn! This thing is working like a bomb.com. Check at that. Wow, this little volume imbalance has the strength of all the freaking suns. Nah, not gonna take this. It's just I'm curious to see now. I'm curious to see now. What happened across the wiggle last time it was at this price? Like on a higher time frame, is that what you mean? Are you talking about the rejection off of that volume imbalance? Information is not, probably lots of people are starting to. I forget. What are those? David, what are those? Probably get your man an aquarium. Nah, too expensive to have a wife and an aquarium. Yeah. I took a buy and that green candle was red and then it jumped as I entered. Nice, Ricky. What's up? How you doing, Ricky, by the way? Oh, got it, Maddie. Got it. So you're talking about that volume imbalance and how it rejected right off of it. Good. I see. But yeah, clearly sellers are in control still. Yeah, okay, sellers are still in control. Attention, next impulse. Dom, you think this is gonna go higher up now? I mean, a little volume imbalance created there because it jumped quite quickly. Maybe. I'm putting this up out of curiosity. I don't think I'll take another trade now. Because, you know, price action isn't price actioning as I would want it to be price actioning. That was English, that made sense. It's okay. I'm off done for the day. Oh, nice, Ricky! Definitely getting gooder. Yes! The only thing I know is that it's not a buy the dip situation. Yeah. Should go up to the 5-minute, no wick. Ooh, okie dokie. Go back up to the 5-minute. So maybe this is actually, oh, this does look like quite a decent trade actually. Boy, short here. No, leave it alone. Leave it alone. This price action is so slow it might take 5 ever. Let's see if it works out nicely. I mean, that bounce is a little bit scary. On the 5 minute, this trade looks really good. So I'm gonna not place it, but I'm gonna place this out of curiosity. Let's see how this would have worked. Okay, let's see if it would have worked. Now we go down still here, and I'll give you 59 bands. What's bands? If you can actually correctly pronounce the word. Is it like cichlids? Did I get that? Is it cichlids? And then the females will hold them in their mouth until they read. Oh, cool. But chill, good morning. Did you have a nice? I did go have fun. How are you? Do I hear 17? Oh goodness. Cheers, OTT. Did I get it right? Is it cichlids? What? Oh. Also, what's 60 bands? What does that mean? What does 60 bands mean? Like, I feel dumb for not knowing now. What does 60 bands mean? What does 60 bands mean? Like I said, you can't English properly. But said that on $60,000? What? Sorry. I nearly fell over there. Are you okay? She can't English properly. That's one way to
emotional damage.
prove myself wrong. Yeah, that was that. I'm so sorry. That is hilarious. Oh my gosh. 60k noise. Rex equals 1,000. Damn. I don't know. We use credit card. So when do I get my 60k? No, I'm joking. I'm joking. You really don't have to. I think it's hilarious. I'm amazed you got that, I'll be honest. Have you heard it before? No, literally not. I don't even know what... Well, I know now that they fish, but... Now I kind of want to Google them. Shall we Google... Should we Google them? Don't want to see. Let's Google them. So I'm in. Excuse me. Thank you. Let's see. Oh, what? Oh, damn, they're pretty. Oh, damn, they're real pretty. Always be my dad. Cute little fishes is what they are. Just keep swimming, just keep swimming, just keep swimming. Ooh, that's pretty. Swimming, swimming, da, 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 da. Ooh. Damn, okay, yeah, they're real pretty. Come on, load. I want to see the pretty fishies. This is cool. This is pretty damn cool. But then how do you, like... There's so many different colors. How do you spell? Whoa. Sorry, that's not one, is it? No, but they all look aggressive. They're angry. Anyways. We have consolidated and probably your entry is good for short hair. There we go. You just made 60k. My last cycled aquarium, I had 10k in African. I wonder how expensive they are here. Cichlid for sale. Let's see. Right? They really are. I'm kind of curious about... Okay, Wi-Fi is having a moment, but I'm curious about how much they are. For sale. No, I want to see the price. Wait. Oh, 145 rand. Okay, that's not too bad. 145 rand is pretty cheap. For sale or price. Good grief. Regular price 30 rand. Typically cost between $10 and $70 per fish, heavily determined species. 20 to 50 rand. Huh, okay. Huh. They are very mean. What's up? They are extremely expensive. What? These don't look expensive here right now. Yeah, sorry. Wi-Fi had a moment. Actually, let me just end this now. Let's sort out the Wi-Fi. Problem solved. Hey Oleg, what's up? I have a nice fish tank with fish. Oh, there we go. I told you something, you did? Oleg, what's up? They're expensive. These don't look expensive, those. Oh, I'm sorry. The chart is here. Sorry. Sorry. I got distracted by the fishies. Okay, the fishies distracted me. I was super distracted by the fishies. We went on a whole mission with regards to fish. I don't like how slow it's going up, so yeah. Probably would not have taken this. So do you know what the problem is? Actually, the partials that I take, I need to make less. So technically, partials I should take 1. I'll take majority off at TP. And then leave 1 runner higher. So I was just thinking, because I should have made more. I should have made more than what I did make on this. I think it's because I'm taking too many out at partials. Does that make sense? Is that silly? What? Did I just read that correctly? Did what? Was allured by your beauty. Nice. Oh, choose some guy. What is it? Trade safe. And Cara said she understood that a little. Oh, like, thank you. So sweet. Oh, thanks, some guy. Mad love. Thank you for popping in. How's your mom, by the way? If broke now, we go down. Let some guy take care. Really good rejection off of this volume imbalance, but I don't know, this price action kind of sucks. Is anyone trading this right now? Is anyone in a trade right now? Because yeah, like I said, this price action does kind of suck. I'm not too keen on this right now, but maybe I haven't. She said good riddance to my fish were bad until she came along. Jealousy makes you nasty, Cara. Okay, I'm just saying. Jealousy makes you nasty. I can't believe you got rid of your fish. Let's just be real. If anyone looked at me and said, get rid of your horse, I would laugh in their face. I would literally... I would probably start crying from laughter. 100%. I'm like, this is a package deal? Shame. I'm not opening your trade. I'm getting shaved by the market. No, so sorry. Still waiting to buy limit. 15-minute fair value gap and 618 fib. So your buy limit as 24623. Nope, I'm being a chop. Oh, so right around the midnight open. So you have a buy limit down here. So basically once it sweeps the low, you think it's gonna pop back up. That's interesting. Okay. Okay, Dink, let's see how this goes. I go short waiting for my TP. Where do you have... Oh, okay, cool. So where I had my stop loss is where you have your new TP. Got it? Honestly, whatever.
Why are you doing this? Why are you even thinking this way?
Anyways, for sure, waiting for you. Waiting for A+ setup. Any back yet? Keep risking low. No, Lawrence, 100%. Ooh. Okay, so not bad. Like I said, I like this on the 5-minute. Obviously didn't come and tag me in, but would have been a good trade. So that's nice to know I had the correct idea. Just didn't obviously come high enough to tag me in. So that's now tagged potentially. No, it had not taken out the low I like. So for Dink, it needs to still... Jeez, look at how it's respecting... Okay, no, now is it finally going to break below it? Let's see. 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Broken below the volume imbalance. So now it's officially broken below. Let's see how it goes now. Oh wait, dumb whoop whoop, by the way. Whoop whoop indeed. Crab might take Asia low. Yeah, it might be. No, don't look at it. I'm so sorry. Wait, Dink, how long have you been trading for? Thank you for watching. I got you. I got you, Dom. 1, 2, me. Definitely whoop whoop. Think you're so sweet. That was so cute. Don't look at it. Oh my gosh. Don't worry, listen. We all started somewhere, believe me. I still have days where how do I put this? I mess up so rightfully and royally. Yes, like that. It's sad. It's sad, sad. Respect that one yet, though. Shoot, is it... I kind of like this trade. I'm not in a rush to give any profits back, though, but, it was a little bit low. If it was closer to this volume imbalance, I'd be like, yeah, this is good. I mean, it could... Again, I don't love that it's tapped into the bob level, but I do love that the midnight open is around this range and there's this volume imbalance further down here. And obviously the Asia low over here. Oh, damn. Relative equal lows. Oh, damn. Relative equal lows down there. Well, ain't that just juicy, juicy? know, don't be in a rush to give back things, but it's quite good. Oh no. I think it's gonna go. Matt, I'm so sorry. Usually a little bit today, actually. I'm so sorry. It's because I'm focusing. This is a good setup, yeah. Push not 1-1, push 2. This will be a 5R. I don't even know if it's gonna go up that high though. Let's see. Let's do create limit order. Not 11, no thanks. Oh, nope, did the wrong freaking thing. Scratch that, let's try that again. Okay. Relative equal lows are very nice. No, you are correct. These are quite nice. Okay, well let's place this. If it doesn't tag me in, it doesn't tag me in, but I mean, gosh. Look at these relative equal lows, and like I said, there's midnight open. These are really good. But we do have this volume imbalance that's kind of in the way. Let's see. Let's see. It's a good setup. It's a good setup. It's an A+ setup as well. So, hands off. If it goes down to TP, then just leave it alone. Oh, wait a minute. There we go. Just a little ticky below. Yeah, there we go. This might start pushing down before getting me in. Got my shelf, got my order block, got my fair value gap. So I do have 3. It's, yeah. And really nice point of interest for it to come and take out. Like, I mean, there's this volume imbalance as well. I don't think this is going to come tag me in before it goes down. This would be really good, though. Good spot. Thank you. Pretty sweep. Fair value gap. Confirm for breach. Hate will carry us? Hate will carry us? Well, that's so negative. Are you good? Are you okay? Should breeze back past that, but I just gotta grip through to tick you in. Yeah, let's see if it is. A+ setup in normal conditions. Yeah. Okay, good day everyone. Hope everyone had fun. Yeah, a little bit green globe. It's okay. Let's see how it reacts here. Let's see how it reacts here. Like I said, if it goes down past my point of interest, then... Good setup, just didn't come high enough up to come and get me. 8 is my game. Oh, got it, okay. Got it, got it. I was like, damn, are you okay? Did you need a hug? This is where my strategy works better, because I don't need to run back up to tag in. Oh, that makes sense. So what if you just have a point... Maddie, I'm pretty sure we've had this discussion, but do you just mark it in? I'll kind of follow it down until it reaches my... Yeah, shoot, I can't move this across, but get an idea. 627. Just a tick below. And you have to be underlined to embed sugar honey iced tea. Taken out. Oh. Possible rejection here. Nope. Well, wait, possible rejection here. Let's see. I think it might just keep running down. Nah, this is gonna just keep running down. Better entries. That makes sense though. Pricing behind on limit order is the worst. Yeah, Lance, a little bit. Especially when you have the right idea. Sugar honey iced tea. Nah, this is going bye-bye. Oh, this is going bye-bye. Nah. I mean, I could check. Oh, no. This is now chasing. Let me look here for a second, but it's like you said, this is going bye-bye. Into that midnight price. Nah. In this market, every pivot 5 minutes left to inverse 50-minute fair value gap. Whoop whoop. Who are we whoop whooping? Who got a whoop whoop? Wait, this now just took out that, but we are going back down. Don't worry, we make... Oh, don't worry. Yeah, no, you're right. Don't chase. It's taken out my point. No, you're right. You're correct. I'm not just trying to chase. It took out my point of interest. I was really keen on those equal lows. Oh my gosh, who's in a short right now? I don't feel like a seasoned trader when I market in though, especially when I know I'm chasing a bit. Lance, I hear you. That's exactly it. I feel then... How do I put it? I don't know how to explain it, but yeah, you feel like you're cheating. That sounds weird. I know that sounds dumb. Good. The second one too. Nice, Muddy. Well done. I am to market and you got it. Kind of trust your gut. No, I think maybe that's it. I think it's because I used to have, when I was still figuring out strategies, I used to have a strategy that involved marketing in. And I was so bad at it. I was actually disgustingly bad at it. Big green for London now. Whoop whoop! Muddy, well done! That's amazing! Yay! Whoop whoop for Mudcrab! Whoop whoop for anyone that's in a short right now. Damn. Just damn. Oh, it's a pity. This was a really good setup, but it just didn't come get me. And it's fine. Just curious about this. There's no point in being... Oh, no, even this wouldn't have come to get me. Never mind. It's fine. I think this was a decent... it wasn't an okay. Let's not say decent. It was an okay setup, but still not good. Respected that volume imbalance there. Interesting. Check out it rejecting off of that thing. All right, then. Oh, well. Okay. Self-restraint is so critical. Your patience is your main edge. You'll have profitable future, I bet. Oh, thanks, Lance. You're so sweet. I think it's looking for liquidity before going back up. Yeah. I will be prepared long now. Attention will be quick. Okay, let's see. Yeah, Muddy. What now? Now that 60k you owe is not so bad. Hey, no, I'm joking. Please note that I'm joking. You don't owe me anything. Literally, you owe me nothing. That's a ding ding ding. Whoop 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 for anyone that got in this banger of a trade. Holy guacamole! This is awesome. Well done, guys. Oh, it would have been a goodie. Oh well, pity. Oh well. Whoop whoop to anyone that got in. Super props. Left full, we're gonna get full and be reversed from here to short out. Let's see, I'll be curious about this here. At 24600. There was a lot of people keen on this 24600 level. Just missed it though. That's a really big freaking wick. Build this imbalance. Let's see where this heads to now. But getting ready for a long. Why are you getting ready for a long? What did it hit? Is it on a higher time frame? Probably on a higher time frame. When in doubt, it's on a freaking higher time frame. I would low-key be interested in this. Trend is friend until it's not, right? When in doubt, double up. What? No. What the heck, man? Good grief. Like, what happened? Was it just... Check your frames, girl. I can't believe you just said that. But yes, let's check the frames then. Okay, so let's check 5 minute. Little tag there. 5 minute, 15 minute. $639 levels, pretty good. Okay, I'm really keen on bulls. Might pop back up, but I'm quite keen on bulls again now. Yep. Ooh, okay. Well, we did take out there, but... Okay. Bulls. Why am I saying bulls? Bears. Bears. I'm keen on bears. A little bit of a retest isn't bad, but I'm keen on bears still. Trend is friend until it's not, right? Home of knowledge, what's up? Gen Z, you would wait for a buy. This would have been my entry for a potential short, but this is looking a bit like a V setup. I'm a little bit late. I mean, to be fair, this is the quick up, quick down that you would want to see. Shoot, watch this now be a good one. Watch this now be a good one. Bull for value get respected and getting inverse. And so it's not, yeah. This is what I would have looked for, just FYI. Shoot, I maybe should have done. Nope, nope, nope. Would have been chasing. Is an A+ setup though, but let's see, maybe it didn't work out. Not quite at the 50% level. Another key buy is probably coming in here soon. Let's see who's correct. Let's see if the buyers do come into play here now. I'm curious. I still like bears. I still like the bears. So here I would have mitigated risk by half. So here my stop loss would have been there. Let's see how it reacts here. Shoot, should have taken it. Bull's getting ready to jump in. said stop would have been there. I may have moved it to break even around here. Let's see. Those who want to buy in a downtrend are really thirsty. As soon we come back to high of day for sure. Let's say I would have gone. There we go. I would have taken partials. Damn it. I was checking the higher time frames. I should have just taken it. It's fine. It is what it is. So I would have taken partials. This would have been in the green. Sugar honey iced tea. Let me put this under accountability. Should have taken it. It's fine. It's okay. And full TP. Okay, that would have been full TP. I may have left a runner. Oh, there's a bit of volume imbalance there, but I may have left a runner for the. Left a runner to there. Slightly anti-ICT because I hate how it steals so much from the beginning and has premium service for trading on BS and it's actual tool trading. Oh, for crying out loud. Said I would have left a runner here. Watch it go now. Okay, but it would have been a win. Of course, of course. You're in for a long, Muddy, or you in for a short? I'm assuming you're in for a long because it tapped into that volume imbalance there. Sugar honey iced tea, man. Well, that's frustrating. Would have been a banger. Oh well. I said I would have had it probably at the body of most of the wicks, which is here. Oh, look at that. Very, very close. Very, very close. Tick below your runner. I agree. Let's see how it reacts. Shoot, man. It's fine. It's fine. Oh, I should have taken it. I was checking the higher time frame, so I guess it's not the end of the world. It is what it is. So Maddie's in a long. I know. I'm a little bit grumpy. It would have been a nice way of having it. Okay, well, you know, at least I had the correct idea. Good confirmation for today that it's respecting all of my A+ setups, right? So that's good confirmation for today. So you're right. It's fine. Okay, so who is in a long right now? Out of curiosity, who is in a long right now? Oh, a damn banger. Oh well, it's fine. Long about a rip. I'm curious about whether it is. Sorry, I have hiccups again. Quite a big volume imbalance on both ES and NQ. I'm curious to see how it responds to them. Tapped into there, little tap there. I'm not saying no to longs, I'm curious, I'm watching what it does here. There's no reversal for long. Not now. I'm waiting to... I'll consider, but space... Yeah. Let's watch what it does at this volume imbalance. Is it just gonna rip right through it? Hasn't tapped the VI on ES yet. There, it tapped into it. Woo! Okay. Little bit of respect off of that volume imbalance. Not... Okay, okay. Buyers are wanting to start take control here. Well, the crowd, if they don't like Flora, no, it doesn't feel right to you, just don't do it. So. I mean, it was a really freaking strong rejection off of this volume imbalance here. Yeah, you'd want to see... No, it's... Okay, the sellers aren't stepping up as much as I would like to see here. You would like to see a proper drop after it taps into that volume imbalance. I'm watching really closely on ES as well. Trade your own strat, although I recommend price action, not ICT. Maddie got the volume back. Easy, I agree, sir. Oh, there we go. What is with everyone on the round numbers? Cambam? Why do you like the round numbers so much? I've always found that interesting. What is it with the round numbers? Maybe that's a weird question, but I am curious about it. Won't just run right through it. Sorry, like I said, I'm genuinely curious to watch here what happens. Double wick here and a big push down. Maddie, I think sells are still in play. I think sells are still in play. Oh no, let's see how it if it rejects off of the volume imbalance again. That might be another bounce up. Gen Z Flex, I do have a Discord. Yeah, check. Wait, I can actually quickly do this. Sorry, I saw something about my balance. Long only when broke zone 0. Can I ask what's your balance when you're starting trading? Oh, hey Bulgaris, what's up? So I actually started this today. I officially became funded yesterday. Super exciting. So I took one trade, so I'm up $338. I missed this freaking trade earlier, which makes me sad, but it is what it is. It's okay. There's always another trade. There's always another trade. I was getting confirmation from the higher time frames and missed it, which is not a bad thing. It's not a bad thing to look for your confirmations. So yeah. So I've started a new one. I'm back to 50k on a funded account. Solid. Psychological round number, solid orders, stop losses, take profits, entries. That's interesting. Okay. Here comes longs. I think whole numbers and round numbers are just attractive for limit orders, so they often have a reaction. That's very interesting. Do I trade gold? Not really, sorry. Only the Nasdaq futures for now. I mean, it makes sense. Jomo, joy of missing? That's hilarious. I like that. I like that a lot. This is Nasdaq. It is Nasdaq. What's up? What fib? So I'm not using a fib. I'm using Ganbox, and it's my own Ganbox. Yeah. You are looking for A+ setups, and you are so humbled. I like that. What do you mean? Humbled for not taking it, or humbled because it didn't work? Or I mean, like I said, this one was an A+ setup. Where was this? There, you can see it literally tagged and it was chef's kiss, but it's fine. This... Oh, yeah, this would have been a... I would still be in this. Nope, okay, now it would have been a stop. Nope, seriously? Okay, now it would have been a stop. So this would have been a losing trade if I'd taken it. I had 1, 2, 3. I may have taken this. I may have taken this. Would have been scared about the reaction off of that volume imbalance, but I may have taken this. So this could have been, well, this would have been a loss if I did take that. Noted. This stops the limits on them. I mean, that makes sense. Patience will win. Oh, hey, yeah, no, 100%. Ugh, and there's always another trade. Like I said, it's nice to know that your confirmations worked. Oh, actually, it would have been a half loss. Sorry, would it? Sorry, give me 2 seconds. I'm thinking to myself here. Nah, it wouldn't have been a half loss. I take it back. So that would have been a full loss. I was about to compliment. Oh no, that's okay. That's okay. Don't worry. No. I'm not being negative. I was just like, what do you mean humbled? But I appreciate the compliment. I test your setup with multiple instruments like gold, crude oil, more, and it only works on NQ. I mean, it's not really like I haven't looked at gold. Gold looks a little bit too wiki for it. There's very specific... What do you mean it only works on NQ? It works on ES like a dream come true. Believe me, I've looked at it on ES and I've been like, why did I not trade that? Yes, it works quite well. I test your setups and multiple instruments like gold, crude oil. Okay, wait, bet. Now I'm curious. Let's do gold. I know hindsight is pretty easy, right? So let's not let hindsight win, but like I said, you've peaked. Good grief, volume imbalance. What is this? Okay. Sorry, I'm pulling faces at that. I know hindsight is pretty easy, so I'm going to try and ignore hindsight. Again, can be quite tricky. Let's go here to there. No, to there. Oh, would have missed by a freaking tick. That would have hurt my feelings. What? It didn't come tap into this solid trade. It just didn't wick up high enough. Absolutely rude. Oh, it respected that volume imbalance. Damn, gold respects these volume imbalances like it's nobody's damn business. Here again. Why are there so many volume imbalances on gold? Oh, I don't like this. Oh, I do not like this. I really don't like this. So you use that. That would have worked, but yeah, I mean, good with the volume imbalance there. Like I said, you need specific conditions, and this ain't it. Maybe here, again, maybe there, but I mean, you can see it would have worked. There, half loss before a win. Okay, would have worked there. Okay, here's finally a decent one. Good grief, what's with all the imbalances recently? Why is gold going cray-cray? Here we go, here's a decent one. Down into the 50%, got a fair value gap, got my level... Got a... Where was... volume imbalance is a little bit lower. I may have moved my stop loss a little bit lower. Maybe that would have been cheeky, there we go. Just so that that volume imbalance was my third confluence. Either way, it would have worked quite nicely, so there we go. Again, I know hindsight is pretty easy. Or, you know, it's easy to look with the chart being there going, oh, I could have done this. I'd have to go and check a little bit more. That would have been a loss there, but then you got your change of character. Yeah, like I said, I can see what you mean. There has to be very specific conditions. Ooh. Again, very specific conditions. Down, wicked out there. Let's check here. Sorry, I'm not focusing on the chat right now. Like I said, I'm kind of curious about this. There does have been one. I also don't know where the levels are at. Bob levels on the gold. I'm not sure where the bob levels are at with the gold as well, because those do make a bit of a difference. Interesting. Sorry. Eat the cereal with water. Andy, what is wrong with you? I think price will go up and create gold in for the week. Certainly not nice to beginners. No, 100%. Probably we go for the ones out of desperation. Look, it's so much better. What do you mean, Devout? What do you mean told you so? If you have the correct confluences, it works. There was just no confluences and it was way too many volume imbalances. Silver's the real account. Turned up to hard mode. I love that. Oat milk is the best. Huge fan, but I gotta ask, why are you wearing your headphones back? What? You just look me bad. I told you what? It does. It does. I just showed you that it does if you look for 3 confluences. The rest didn't have 3 confluences. You just have to know the correct market and what you're looking for in that condition, and then it did work. But again, you're gonna have to be really, really patient, and as you can see, there's like one trade now and then. You need specific market conditions, and you really need to know when to execute and when not to execute. That's basically it. Yes, you see yourself. Well, those gaps are imbalances. Silver was amazing until it wasn't. Trader screwed up silver quotes and chops all over. It's a glitch. Oh, that's interesting, Lance. That's very interesting. Oh, look at that. Would have wicked me out. Well, not wicked me out. Would have tagged me out. Ooh, went back to the midnight and now it's going back down. Interesting. Okie dokie. Okie dokie then. It was amazing until it wasn't. Like I said, I'm not here to argue, but I think it could actually work for gold, but very specific conditions. I mean, look here. 1, 2, order block 3, technically, maybe it's pushing it a little bit, but there is order block, a little bit of a shelf, inverse fair value gap, 3, boom, done. On to the next. Followed it down. Maybe it would have wicked you in depending on how you drew it. Would have worked out. This one now would not have, and that's fine. This one wouldn't have tagged you in, so theoretically it would have worked like that. Yeah, that would have wicked you out. That one wouldn't have worked, and that's fine. Now you know. Change it up. Go to the next one. This one would not have gone as far down, but would you have used that huge ass freaking wick? Oof, that would have been so close. So close. Correct idea missed by a tick. That would have hurt my feelings. Actually, I don't have to prove anything. Sorry, I don't actually know why I'm trying to prove anything. I don't even trade on gold. Oh no. I make you long entry here, so it was maybe until it wasn't. And oh gosh, look at the time. Ah, I was having fun. Okay. I was having fun. Aw. This is frustrating. Check at this. Check at this. I can't believe I would have done that. Gone down now for partial. That's so rude. It's okay. Hey, what's up? You're in long 5. Okay. Muddy, get Discord. Well, actually, everyone, get Discord. Join the Discord and tell me how your trades go for everyone that's in a long or whatever trade you're in. Let me know how it's going. Yep, another entry for you here too. Okay, well, color me intrigued. Color me intrigued. Please let me know how it goes. Please let me know how it goes. I am intrigued. Oh man, why is this market now looking nice when I'm about to leave? Hasn't quite taken out the lows yet. Okay. Seriously, as I was about to leave. Oh well. It's what just happened? What's happening? Okay, moving on. Watching the chaos. Oh goodness. I'm going to New York. See, because I got lots to see. Yep, that's okay. Oh, there we go. Okay, so let's see if I'd taken a short here. Don't like that doji very much though, but let's see. That's that quick up that you want to theoretically see. Okay. Yeah, no, okay. Good thing I'm going. I'm leaving. Before I do something silly. I'll call it there. I'll stop. Okay. You guys are amazing. So then, Muddy, maybe see you later. For anyone that's in a trade, please let me know how it goes. Pop it on the Discord. I'm super keen to give you a whoop whoop, or it's okay, I get it. I'm grumpy about missing that other trade, but it's fine. I love you guys madly. Don't forget to press that like button. Affiliate code is TeachMaya for any of the props in the description. There we go. Lost English. Description below. You guys are the bestest, okay? I love you madly, and I'll see you later during the New York session, okay? See you later during New York session. Why is this now working? Okay, no, it's fine. Let me leave. I'm gonna leave before I get FOMO. I love you guys madly. See you for New York. Bye.